Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I've had this piece of log since Christmas time. I got it from a shop that was selling Christmas trees and I've been waiting for it to dry out, and I can't really think of anything that I can do with it because it has a few cracks in it. So I've decided to turn it into a little bug hotel, and these are great for attracting bees and beneficial insects into your garden. So I've made a few different variations of these in the past, and if you'd like to see the full length videos of these, I'll leave links in the description box below. So to make this, I'm going to use the log itself and then a piece of wood. So here I'm just marking up so that I can drill some pilot holes for this piece of wood or stake to put it in the ground later on. And this is just an offcut of wood. It doesn't really matter how big it is. And I'm going to drill 3 pilot holes and put 3 nice chunky wood screws in there to keep it all nice and secure. So for the top of the stake, I'm going to put a 45-degree angle, and that will just allow the rain to run off it. You don't need to do this with a miter saw, you can just use a handsaw. So now at the bottom of the stake, I want to make a point so that it goes into the ground more easily. So I'm going to cut 4 45-degree angles on each side. So that gives me a nice point to drive into the ground. So now to make the holes, I've just picked a handful of drill bits, all different sizes, going up to about 10mm in diameter. So now I'll start the long process of drilling the holes. And just making sure not to go through to the other side. Okay, so now that was finished, it was just time to attach the stake. So first of all, I'm going to give it a paint, mainly because it already had some green paint on it, just to make it look a bit neater. You don't need to do this. And I'm just using some water-based fence stain. So now to attach it, I'm just going to put some glue on there. And just make sure it's roughly central. So now it's just time to get it in the ground. So I started off by pushing it in and just clearing a little space for it. So I've put it around some plants and I'm going to put it quite low to the ground, with the reason being that the insects might jump off the plants onto the bug house, hopefully. So just to finish off, just going to drive it in with a sledgehammer. And there we go, it's all in. So hopefully that will attract a lot of bugs, especially solitary bees, into the garden. Gives them a little habitat, somewhere to lay their eggs. So if you found this video useful, please leave me a like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.